And here we go. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. And that's a very quickly video. I want to share with you something super cool, actually. Sometimes we're looking for things to buy, and the moment that we have free things in this internet. So, and this is one of the things that I want to bring here. Okay, so you might be wondering, like, AI trainings are expensive, AI trainings are difficult, and not. Okay, it's definitely not. I'm bringing here to you a very nice repository that you can start learning AI. That's a very nice one, provided by Microsoft. Okay, so if you have a look, I'm going to leave the repository link in the video description, but have a look on this. You have so much option of learning here, from the beginning to the most complicated thing. Let's say I'm not an AI expert, I'm not that much good in AI, but I definitely know that you have a lot of content here for starting your AI journey. You have like a introduction, you have the history, you have compute vision, you have everything that you can for learning AI. Okay, so let me show you an example. You have some laboratories that you can be doing and preparing within your environment. Okay, you have everything you want. I'd strongly recommend you go to the repository. If you want something specifically, if you want to learn about NLP, for example, natural language processing, just go for it. Look, it literally have everything easily here and for free. So it's just a matter of you sit and start studying and do the laboratories. Okay, that was a very quick video. That's what I wanted to share with you, because these are the kind of things that people, it's laying on internet and people, they don't know. So I'm gonna leave the video in the video link in the video description. Then you can just start play around. Okay, if you have any question about any tech topics, leave a comment in the video, and I'm gonna help you. Okay, so thank you very much for your time and enjoy. Bye bye.